Yo guys, it's Scott in here, as I'm known on YouTube. Today I just thought I'd do something like a little bit different from the usual videos that I do. Here is 2 packs of Pokemon cards, which I got from Asda. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open these on camera. Like at the minute I'm filming this on my iPhone. Okay, so in each pack there's a pack. In each of these packs there's a pack of booster card. Well, I don't know if these are actually booster cards or if they're just like Pokemon cards in general. But these are the cards for the trading card game, and then there's a card here which is like a promo card, and then this little blue thing here is the Pokemon coin. I don't know what these are used for, so if you know what these are used for, please do let me know in the comments below. Also, if you do know how to play the trade card game of Pokemon, then please do let me know in the comments below as well. Alright, so let's jump right into it. Okay, so we'll start with this one. Okay, so this is pack number 1. This is the Pokemon coin, and this is stage 2 Hydreigon. Right, so now onto these ones. Wait, hold on, let me just the first pack of cards to see which ones I get. Okay, so that's just the pack. Right, so I'll put Hydreigon there. Okay, so sorry about this, guys. Okay, so pack number 1 is open, and pack number 1's open, which is all here. The cards from pack number 1 are here, all 11, 12 of them. I don't know, like, because there was one in the front which was the stage 2 Hydreigon, that actually, if that one actually counts as a card for the pack, and then there were 10 or 11 more behind that one in the little pack here. So I'm going to open up this one. For all the YouTubers that so for all the YouTubers that are daily vloggers or have made daily vlogs in the past, now I know how hard it is to open things with. Now I know how hard it is to open up things with one hand, and whilst filming, because I have my camera in the other hand. Like, I have my iPhone in the other hand, which is what I'm filming this on. So oh, I got stuck. Hold on, guys. Oh. Okay, I got the Pikachu out of the box there, Pokemon coin. Oh yeah, got the Pokemon coin out first time. Okay, so there's Pikachu and the Pokemon coin. Okay, so okay guys, so this is the second pack of trading cards. So this is pack number 2. Okay, so it is really hard opening things with one hand. Like, even if you're a YouTuber or a daily vlogger or anything like that, you'll know how hard it is. Like, you'll know how hard it is to open things with just one hand. Okay, so this is pack number 2 that is open.